Hey there, young coders. Are you up for creating your own word app? Dive into a coding quest with our random word app on Menu L212 of the Schogini Toys DIY kit. Quick tip: if you're new to our menus, watch our menu navigation video first to become a pro. Ready? Press the joystick and watch as our word app springs to life. Want to jump straight in? Press the joystick left to skip the intro message and see words pop up randomly every 2 seconds. To leave the app, just flick the joystick left, and you'll return to the main menu. Ever wondered how we display random words? It's all the magic of Python coding. We've got a little code teaser for you to see how it's done. And if you're itching to code, our simulator is your playground. Try it out on your laptop. Need a coding pal? Our AI Chatbot Coding Companion is ready to help anytime. All the resources, from code to simulator, are waiting for you at http://schoginitoys.com. Let's get those words rolling with code. Congratulations! Remember, with our Schogini Toys DIY kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.